Hello learners, I am Parikshit Saikia. I teach live on the Unacademy platform and have over 9 years of teaching experience. In today's session, we are going to solve an amazing LRDI caselet on a game of murder. This is a very popular caselet. It has come several times in this type of questions have come several times in mock papers, and you got to understand the technique to solve questions where I would say it's a game of murder, but then we have tricks, and you need to know these tricks on how to solve such questions, right? Let's get started. Very unique caselet, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Please read this caselet, and in the meantime, I'm just going to ensure that I'm streaming live. Just a moment. I need to ensure that I'm streaming live. One moment. Yes, I think I'm streaming live. Let's get started. Let's get started. Okay. Henry was a leader of ex-Jewish rebels trapped by the Romans. His subordinates preferred suicide to surrender, so they decided to form a circle and kill every third person until no one was left. Okay, so basically, you're forming a circle. There are a lot of people, and every third person is getting killed in that circle. Henry wanted to live, so he calculated where to stand and managed to be the last person. Okay, so think about it. Imagine it's a circle. So every third person is getting killed in that circle, and whoever is the last person obviously survives because there is no one else remaining to kill him. Right? So Henry wants to be the last person, and question is asking, where did he stand if x is equal to 10, x is equal to 20, x is equal to 21? So there are three separate questions that you need to answer. Okay. So in such questions, the best way is to identify the pattern, right? All you need to do is play the game and identify the pattern. So let's start the game. Let's start the game. Let's say X Jewish rebels. How many I don't know. So let's say if there are three people. Let's say I'm starting with three. Why? Because you kill every third person. So let's say there are three people. Okay, three. So one, two, three. One, two, and three. So initially, who will get killed? The third person will get killed, right? Person number three is getting killed. Then how do you start the counting? Then how do you count? Just make sure that you understand the counting. One, two, three. Three is getting killed. Three is getting killed. Then you continue the counting, right? After three, one, two, three. Again, one is getting killed. One is getting killed. One is getting killed. So in this case, the last person surviving is person number two. So if there are three people, Henry should stand at position number two. In that case, he can survive the game. He can survive this mass murder game, right? Let's continue. What happens if x is 4? If x is 4, let's say there are 4 people. Let's say there are 4 people. Then how does the game change? 1, 2, 3, 4. Initially, the counting is important. Initially, we must understand how to count. So let's check this. So initially, if you think about it, 1, 2, 3. Every third person is getting killed, right? So 1, 2, 3. Person number 3 will get killed first. Person number 3 will get killed first, right? Person number 3 is getting killed. Then you continue the counting. Then you continue the counting. So 1, 3 is killed. From here, you'll again start 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So person number 2 is getting killed. Person number 2 is getting killed. So whoever gets killed, don't count him again. Whoever gets killed, don't count him again. So let's continue the process. After 2, you should continue. Then the next person alive is 4. So you start your counting from here. 1, 2, 3. So person number 4 gets killed. Person number 4 gets killed. So who survives the game? Person number 1 survives the game. Person number 1 survives the game. Right? So let's maybe do another 2, 3. Maybe let's do another 2, 3. So if x is equal to 5, what happens? If x is equal to 5, what happens? Let's continue the game. Let's say there are 5 people. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's say there are 5 people. So again, let's start counting. Let's start counting. So initially, what will happen? Person number 3, 1, 2, 3. Every third person gets killed. So person number 3 will get killed. Person number 3 will get killed. That's very easy to identify. Next, continue your counting from here. Continue your counting from the next person. Okay. So 3, after that, this one. Again, now you start counting. 1, 2, 3. Person number 1 gets killed. Person number 1 is getting killed. So whoever gets killed, don't count him again. Let's continue the counting. Let's continue the counting. So 1, 2, 3. Great. Person number 5 is getting killed. Person number 5 is getting killed. Again, now count from 2. 1. So this is, so I need to change it to a marker every time. So 1, 2, 3. 2 is getting killed. So the person who stays back is person number 4. So who will survive the game in such a case? Person number. Clear? Let me do for 2 more and then we will derive a pattern. Let me do for 2 more cases and then we will derive a pattern. Okay. So x is equal to 6. Let's say there are 6 people. What happens if there are 6 people? What happens if there are 6 people? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, start counting. So 1, 2, 3. Initially, the third person, multiples of 3 will get killed. Next, 1, 2, 3, 6 will get killed. 6 will get killed. So again, start counting. Start counting from the remaining people. After 6, from here again. 1, 2, 3. So person number 4 will get killed. Person number 4 will get killed. Right? 4 will get killed. Then let's continue the game. Let's continue the game. Right? Let's continue the game. So 1, 2, 3. Again, person number 2 will get killed. Person number 2 will get killed. Next, there are only 2 people remaining now. There are only 2 people remaining now. So the last part of the game. So continue after 2, this guy, right? 1, 2, 3. Person 5 gets killed. Person 5 gets killed. Person 5 gets killed. So your answer is 1. Right? Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Any doubt in this? Now I can continue doing this, but let's try to identify a pattern. What is the pattern here? Look at the numbers. In the first case, when there are 3 people, answer is 2. When there are 4 people, answer is 1. Again, answer is 4. Again, answer is 1. What is the pattern? Think about it. The pattern here is every third person gets killed. Every third person gets killed. So if you are able to visualize the scenario, let's say I have a lot of numbers, right? Let's try to visualize. Let's try to visualize the scenario and then we can come to the pattern. If you are able to visualize a scenario, instead of drawing a circle, I'm just putting it in a straight line, but the funda is the same. Dot, 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 dot. Think about it. Every third person getting killed. So if every third person gets killed, so initially person number 3, then another 3, 6, 9. So plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Every time you do a plus 3, the person gets killed. Every time you do a plus 3, the person gets killed. And so on. Right? That's the funda. What is the funda? Every third person will get killed. Let's try to apply the same funda in the circles. Let's try to apply the same funda in the circles. Okay, let's try to apply the same funda in the circles. Okay, let's try to do just that. So initially, if you see your answer is 2. Initially, if you say your answer is 2, okay, your answer is 2. What will happen if you do a plus 3? If you do a plus 3, your answer should have been 5. 5. That's it. That's it. Your answer should have been 5. But the problem is there are not 5 people in this diagram. Are there 5 people? Had there been 5 people, the answer would have been 5. But in this case, we do not have 5 people. How many people do we have? 4. So can I say if there are only 4 people, then the 5th person will be same as the first person? How did I get that? So if you get an answer which is greater than the number of people, just divide that answer by the number of people and take the remainder. I'm going to repeat. I know I was fast. I'm going to repeat that. When you do a plus 3, answer is 5. But the problem is we don't have 5 people in the diagram. We only have 4 people. Right? So how do you visualize? 5 divided by 4, remainder is 1, answer is 1. Again you do a plus 3. You do a plus 3. 1 plus 3, answer is 4. Yes? Is there person number 4 in the diagram? Absolutely. We have a person number 4 in the diagram. So 4 will be answer. Next, again do a plus 3. If you do a plus 3, answer is 7. But the problem is we only have 6 people in the diagram. We only have 6 people. So what do? 7 cannot be the answer. So 7 will be same as number 1. How do you know? After you complete a circle, 7th person will become the first person. Think about it. All you need to do is take down the number 7, divide it by the number of people and take the remainder. Remainder is 1, answer is 1. That is it. That is it. If you're following this, we can get the answer. So what are the different values? We need to find up till x is 21. So x can be 8, 9, 10, 11. Remember, we need to do up till 21. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, okay, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, 21. And what will be our corresponding answers? That's what we need to identify. That's what we need to identify, our corresponding answers. Let's start. Let's start. Okay, I think we have x is equal to 7 is also required because we have not found x is 7. We have found up till x is 6. We found up till x is 6. So let's identify x is 7 as well. What is x will be 7? X equals to 7. What will be the answer? Think about it. Again, you do a plus 3. All you need to do is a plus 3. 1 plus 3, your first answer will be 4. So in a circle of 7 people, do we have a person number 4? Absolutely. Answer will be 4. Then again do a plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. In a circle of 8 people, remember this is this. In a circle of 8 people, will we have person number 7? Absolutely. 7 will be the answer. Again do a plus 3. 7 plus 3, 10. In a circle of 9 people, will we have a person number 10? No. The number of people are only 9. I can't have 10. So the 10th person will be same as the first person. How do you get that? 10 divided by 9, remainder is 1. 10 divided by 9, remainder is 1. So instead of saying 10, I am going to say that the remainder is 1. Instead of saying 10, I'm going to say that the remainder is 1. Great. Let's continue. Let's continue. Do plus 3 again. What will we answer? 1 plus 3, 4. In a circle of 10 people, do we have 4? Number 4? Absolutely. 4 will be answer. Next, do plus 3 again. 7. 4 plus 3, 7. In a circle of 11 people, do we have person number 7? Absolutely. 7 will be answer. Just keep doing plus 3. 7 plus 3, 10. In a circle of 12 people, do we have person number 10? Absolutely. Next, 10 plus 3, 13. In a circle of 13 people, will we have number 13? Absolutely. That will be the answer. Next, plus 3 again, 16. In a circle of 14 people, we will not have 16. So 16 will be same as which one? Second person. How do you know? 16, take down the answer, divide by 14. 16 by 14, remainder is 2. So the 16 person will be same as person number 2. Answer will be 2. Next, do plus 3 again. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 is your answer. Next, plus 3 again. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 is your answer. Next, do we have in a circle of 15 people, do we have number 5? Absolutely. In a circle of 16 people, do we have number 8? Absolutely. Again, do plus 3. In a circle of 17 people, if we do plus 3, we'll get 11. Do we have 11 people? Absolutely. Answer will be 11. Next, plus 3, if you do 14. In a circle of 18 people, will we have number 14? Absolutely. 14 will be answer. Next, plus 3. In a circle of 19 people, will we have number 17? Absolutely. 17 will be answer. In a circle of 20 people, will we have number 20? Absolutely. 20 will be your answer. 20 will be your answer. Again, do a plus 3. If you do plus 3, you will get 23. But in a circle of 21 people, will we have number 23? No, we don't have number 23. So obviously 23 cannot be answer. So 23 divided by 21, remainder is 2. 2 will be answer. That is it. That is it. All we need to do is go back and look at which answer option satisfies, right? Just let's look at the answer options now which satisfies. First question is x is equal to 10. So if x is equal to 10, your answer is 4. Your answer is 4. So your first answer is 4. First answer is 4. X is equal to 20. If x is equal to 20, your answer is 20. So for the second question, answer will be 20. Third one, x is 21. If x is 21, your answer is 2. So for the third one, answer is 2. That is it. It's a brilliant caselet on a game of murder. So what is it? It's just a cycle which repeats. It's like a cycle which repeats. If you're able to visualize and if you have done number system, this is exactly like the concept of units digit in a number system. Remember, units digit in the number system always follows a cyclicity. Here also, it's a cyclicity based LRDI caselet. Clear? Great, folks. And just a quick reminder, if you have liked the class, you know what, you might be wanting to attend more classes. So my session timings are daily. I take YouTube sessions from 6 p.m. to 6:20 p.m. wherein we discuss some beautiful concept or question. Just 20 minutes of your life you need to devote. And if you do this for the next 125 odd days, trust me, CAT, you will definitely feel that you have scored at least 15 marks more in the CAT because of these sessions. And also every day, okay, on the app, okay, I take a free LRDI session. I take a free LRDI session, okay, free LRDI session on Unacademy site, on Unacademy site. Okay, it could be the app or it could be the web page. What is the timing? Timing is daily 10 p.m. to 10:45 p.m. 10 p.m. to 10:45 p.m. So I meet my students 2 times a day. This is in addition to the plus classes. This is in addition to the plus classes, but free sessions are 2 times a day. Attend this and check for yourself the difference. Okay, quick note to all of you. We are running an offer till July 22nd. So if you are someone who wants to join us for CAT 2023 or CAT 2024, this is the best time because we are running an offer wherein we are giving you a discount and you can get a plus an iconic subscription for 6 months plus free 2 months just for 24,700 for CAT 2023 students, and for CAT 2024 students 1.5 years is what you need. It's 33,250. The discount code that you need to use that'll get you the maximum discount is Parikshit Live. So just keep a note of this discount code. This discount code will get you maximum discount. That's benefit number one. And this is the only and only discount code which will offer you free mentorship from my side. And for those of you who wants to write the mock test, please do enroll for it because July 23rd, 12 p.m. is the Unacademy mock. And a quick note, for those of you who joined Plus, I have prepared some 400 odd caselets, okay, 400 caselets, which is approximately 2,000 questions, all with my video solution. 2,000 questions of LRDI with my video solution. So if you're someone who wants to prepare LRDI, okay, and maybe learn it exhaustively, every type of question, you don't need any, even a single question beyond these 2,000, you can join Unacademy Plus using the code Parikshit Live, and I'll give you access to all these 2,000 odd caselets which I have it on Unacademy Plus. These are brilliant caselets. You won't get them anywhere else. Okay, folks, that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed the class, and all my session links, I share it in the Telegram group. Session links, the class links. So if you're not part of the Telegram group yet, do join this group and I will see you there. Thank you, folks, and I'll see you in my next session. Bye for now.